Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see a new part, and later on we will be starting the Katia sessions from the next or uh, after next video. So um, let's suppose this will be the last part for now of the SolidWorks. Uh, Later on we will see more in design with SolidWorks because we haven't seen any surface design, so we will see in future. But for today we are completing our last bolt and nut, and then let's see. So for that we are going to select the top plane, go for sketch, select the polygon tool. Yeah, give it a dimension of 20, and let's extrude these again with 20. Select this part, go for sketch, select a circle. Either we can go with the circle or we can go with the, let's exit the sketch first. Let's go with the feature hole wizard. uh, just with the hole wizard, let's go, but it will not make that much hole. So we are working great with the sketch. Select the circle, let's draw a circle first, then later on we will make threads on it. So for that we are going to select this as like this and give it a dimension of 20. I think that's okay. Go for feature, extrude cut. Wait for a few minutes. That's okay. It's okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to select the front plane. Go for sketch. Mm, Sorry. Uh, I think we should go with the right plane. Yeah. Right plane. Go for sketch. Yeah. Now what we have to do? We have to simply select a line. Draw a line like this. Yeah. Just go. And what we have to do? We have to draw a center line over here. Smart dimension. Oh, sorry. Center line. Let's go with the center line over here and escape. Go for feature, revolve cut. Let's see it. Okay, so it's looking like. So what we have to do before cut? Go for sketch, edit sketch, and create another center line from like this to this, in which we have to give the dimension such that it will create a equal partition between those. Now go for mirror entities, select these, and for the line we are going to select this, hit OK. Now we can exit the sketch and rebuild. So our nut is prepared from outside. Now we have to create a thread over here. So for that, what we can do, we can go with the helix and spiral, or we can with the hold wizard. Either way we can position, not like that. Let's go with the helix and spiral. It will be easy to create. No, will it work? It's not working. So select this plane, go for feature, sorry, sketch. First go for sketch, and then select this one line, convert these entities, go for feature, and parallel. And now reverse the direction. Uh, Pitch will be of 20. Sorry, pitch will be of 1 or 2. What we can say, height and pitch. That's okay. Now height will be of 20 mm. Pitch will be of 2, or we can go with 1. Hit OK. And now what we have to do, we have to let's hide this for few minutes. Okay, and what we can do, we can go with like this. Go for sketch. Let's see which plane should it fit. The front plane, I think so. Yeah, go with sketch. Let's go over here, select a line, draw a line, and center this. I think so, it's centered. Yeah, now what we have to do, we have to carve a like this. Select the trim entities. Where is the trim tool? Trimmed. Yeah, that's okay. Let's hit OK. Now what we have to do, we have to go for feature, select wash base, select this one, and for this one we will go with, but it is not selected. And for this, what's going on? uh, Go for select wash base. Oh, it's not completed, that's why it's not taking. So edit this sketch. Let's zoom it over here, and what we can do is merge this and this side too. There we go. Okay, now it's completed. That's okay. Let's go for feature. Sorry, exit the sketch. So this what's going on? Clear sketch. Go for swept boss base, and for the we can select the helix, and let's see what we get from this. Okay, so basically it's forming but in the center. That means we have done a mistake over here. So what's the mistake? Let's see. Okay, that this one is creating over here. So what we can do, we can go again for the sketch and select this one, drag it to the corner, and let's hit OK. Again we can select this one, go for feature, swept wash base, and for that we are going to select the helix and the spiral. I think this time it will be okay, and we will go with this. Let's see what's, and yes, we have to create merge result, align with the end faces, align with the end faces. So that it doesn't. Let's hit OK. And now what we can see is, if we hide this helix, we will be able to see the thread that we have made in here. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.